Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the Twitter add event exercise. Let's hop right in. It says create event for creating the tweet called tweetCreated. Use parameters like ID, author, content, and timestamp. Let's do just that. It says create events here, define the events here. So let's do tweetCreated event. Use parameters like ID. All right, ID, which would be uint, ID, address, author, and then content, which would be a string, then the timestamp, which is also a uint. Perfect. Second, emit the event in the createTweet function below. Where's the createTweet function? Okay, right here. Let's emit the event. New, what's the name of the event? Tweet created. So the ID would be new tweet.id, new tweet.author, and then new tweet.content, and lastly new tweet. Yes, new tweet dot timestamp. Perfect. 3 says create event for liking the tweet called TweetLiked. Let us do just that. Event TweetLiked. Use parameters like liker, tweetAuthor, tweetId, newLikeCount. So parameters like liker, which would be an address, liker, tweetAuthor, which is also going to be an address, tweetAuthor, and then tweetId, which would be a uint, tweetId, and then a uint of newLikeCount. Great. Yeah, emit the event in the like tweet function below. The like tweet function. So right here, emit tweet liked event. So the liker would be the msg.sender. Then the tweet author would be tweets. Let's say tweets author ID dot author, I believe. Yes, I think it's struct. Yes, exactly. Dot author. Then the ID would be tweets author ID dot ID, then tweets author ID, what is this last parameter? The newLikeCount. This would be the dot likes. Perfect. We are done with that. Now, when we look at this event that we're emitting, I think this is pretty much clear. The tweets author ID essentially taps into the tweets array right here, and then it gets, you can see the tweets mapping, so you can see it's a mapping named tweets. It's a mapping of address to an array of tweet objects. Now, when we get the tweets, we tap into the tweets mapping, and this we put in the address, then the ID of this tweet under the tweets of this author. Then we tap into the author, because it's a struct, so it allows us to do the tweet ID, and then the content, which would be the content of this tweet. Then we tap into the content, then we tap into the address, then the ID of this tweet, under the tweets of this author. Then we tap into the author, because it's a struct, so it allows us to do the tweet ID, and then the content, which would be the content of this tweet. Then we tap into the address, then the ID of this tweet, It allows us to do the dot notation. So we do dot author, which is the author right here, dot id, dot content, dot timestamp, and so on, just like you see we are doing right here.